It's Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together this Christmas. The fireside is blazing bright.
Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. It's your girl Silent Progress, Coriana, by the way. And today I'll be reviewing something I splurged on for the holidays. Really for football games. I needed a little small purse to go to football games, so I kind of spoiled it. It's gonna be a purse. It's a luxury purse. Like I said, I splurged. It was a spare of the moment thing. I usually don't splurge and buy handbags because it's just not in my price range, but today I did, and I want to review it, and I want to show you all, and I want to show you an outfit of the day, kind of. Not really an outfit of the day, but what I'm going to be wearing to the game and how I style my purse. So stay tuned. But I know I haven't done vlogmas this year, but as you notice, I do have Christmas decorations up now. Another little tree at the end is a little tree. So get into the holiday spirit with me. I'm going to be doing a lot of, not a lot, but I'm going to be doing what I brought for Black Friday Christmas haul. What I brought for Black Friday haul, not Christmas haul. What I brought for Black Friday, and I'm just gonna show you my purse and get into it and stop talking because yeah, I went to buy Gucci, y'all. So this is what the bag looks like. It's a Gucci. It comes in a box like this, and so I'm gonna open it on camera so y'all can see, and it's a cute wrapping. I'm going to get into the price and all in a few. Came in a box like this. So this package really nice. It came in a white bag and it says Gucci there. Super cute. It's leather, authentic leather. Inside is filled with packaging just to keep it in its form. And it has this showing you that is real Gucci. And it's pink inside. Put my phone in here because I'm about to get ready to go to this game. I'm going to put some lip gloss in here. And then I'm going to put some mascara in here. And then put some gum. And then put my AirPods in there. And that is it. So this is all that I put in here. I'm going to show you, and I'm 5'3", so I'm going to show you how it looks on me. It's on me like this. Super cute. So the quick details about this purse. A mini Gucci MARMONT chain shoulder bag has a zip, top closure, a double G hardware, which is that. The chain shoulder strap is a length of shoulder details. The camera bag, so it's like a camera bag, is made in Matelassé leather, which is a chevron design, and a GG on the back. See here? It says GG on the back, so this is the front. GG emblem with gold. And then in the back, this is the GG. So this is the GG Matelassé MARMONT Matelassé mini bag. It is made with black Matelassé chevron leather, antique gold hardware, double G, top closure. And what I loved about it was the size. It was 7 width, 5 height, and 2.5 dimension. and it's perfect for football games. You know, you need your small purse so you can get in the game. So yes, I'm about to head to the game, and I just wanted to just do this quick review of this purse, this mini bag, because yeah, it's super cute and it's perfect for a gift. If you want to splurge on a gift or splurge on yourself, it's always perfect to buy for yourself, like I did, to splurge and just to treat yourself, because we work you know, year round. So treat yourself to something small like this and you'll be satisfied. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm just trying to convince myself that it was worth the buy, because it was, I didn't tell you the price. It was $1,300, so $1,300. And yes, this is it on this website, on Gucci's website. I am convincing myself that it was worth the buy because it's super cute and it's perfect for this holiday. It just looks so cute. I don't know, it just really looks cute and it's cute on me. So yes, and it actually I'm not usually liking the shoulder bags because it doesn't fall low enough on me, even though I'm short. It still doesn't, in the kind of big boobs, but this fits perfectly and it falls perfectly into place where I need it to fall, so it's perfect for me. So yes, this is my review of the Gucci MARMONT Matelassé mini bag, or just a Gucci mini bag, so handbag. So this is it. Thank y'all for watching. This is your girl Silent Progress. Stay tuned to my next video. I'm gonna be doing a haul on Black Friday, what I got for Black Friday, because your girl got some buys. So bye y'all. Bye. Peace, love, and happiness. And at the end of the day, be you, because the real you is what? Beautiful. Bye. A mini Gucci MARMONT chain shoulder bag has softly structured shape and zip.